any numbers you want. Okay? Because it's easy. You put numbers in for x, and you can easily get an answer for y. Now, let's say the problem was like this. A equals b plus 6. Okay? If it was like this, you can make a table of values, right? And then, when you make the table of values, you'll see what I mean by this in a few minutes. But it's easier to put numbers in for b, so that's why I would put in the first column, because it's already set equal to a. All right? You see how that is? But right now, we're always going to be dealing with x and y's because we're dealing with the x-axis and the y-axis. But an easy number to put in for b right here would be 0. 0 plus 6 is a, 6, right? But the nice thing is, on this worksheet I'm giving you, you already have the table, you already have the numbers that you're supposed to substitute in. So number 1, Ethan, when we put a -1 in for x, so -1 goes in for x right here, what are you going to get, Ethan? So y equals what when you put -1 in for x? -1 plus 6? It would be 5. You got it. What's the next one, Shop? When you put a 0 in for x?
6.
Yep. Y is going to be 6. They already told us what numbers we were supposed to put in. Lauren, when we put a 2 in here for 6, what do you get?
8.
Okay. It is 8. So 2, then y is 8. And finally, see, when we put a 4 in for 4 in for x, we get 10 for our y. So there you go. Those are numbers that you're supposed to go ahead and plot. Okay? The only problem is 4, 10 won't fit on the graph, so don't worry about that one. Right? So you can plot all the other points, and then I'm going to give you a ruler here in a second. You connect them up and make a line. If they don't make a line, when you put a ruler down against them, then you didn't plot them right. I want you to do the odds in the front and the back right now. I'm going to walk around and make sure you're on the right track. Okay? So we're doing the odds on this worksheet to get class started. Yeah, Shaq.
Do you have a pencil?
Sure, but I'll get you something.
Sorry.
That's all right. Let me find something here. You're good, buddy. I'll find a pencil up here next, but right now. Doing the odds. So the left side. Problems on the left side of the piece of paper. Remember we did these last week? I gave you a piece of graph paper. We fold the graph paper in half hamburger style. Close the windows a little bit. We walk in today, it was super duper hot. You open the windows for 2 minutes and it's super duper cool. One second. Like you ready? For which one? I want you to try to think about it. -3 times -1. That would be a positive. Negative times negative would be positive. So 3 plus 5 should be 8. Okay? If you guys need to do work off to the side, do work off to the side. Or get another piece of paper out if you can't do it in your head. I want you thinking. Waking the brain up early on Monday morning. Okay? Which one? This one? Why? What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it? Yeah, it should be go through the origin right here. This one here should go through the origin. So no. Let's see, -2. Okay. Girls don't need to be talking. Lauren, turn around. Alyssa, turn around. Leave each other alone. If you have questions, raise your hand. I'll answer your question. You put a -2 in. -4 times -2. You're going to be +8. Come on, man. I know you weren't here for a few days, but you can't forget how to multiply numbers. Jeez. Alex, which one, miss? Okay, what's the question? Let's think about this. Let's think about this. y equals negative 4x. So listen to what I say. Y equals negative 4x. Did I say y equals negative 4 plus x? No. I said y equals negative 4x. So that means we're multiplying here. Last week when we were doing this, we did y equals negative 4. Anytime we plug numbers in, we substitute a value in for a variable, we should be using parentheses. So in number 3, you're supposed to put a negative 2 in first. Anytime you plug a number in, use parentheses. So if you look at it, you have a negative 4, parentheses, negative 2, close your parentheses. What operation is supposed to take place here? Yep, multiplication. So then y equals 8. If you guys need another piece of paper, okay, behind Mrs. D over there is paper. There's nothing wrong with writing it down like I have here on the board. Nothing. So that way you get them right. All right, stop for a second. Check number 1. Number 1, put your pencil to the origin. Go back to the very first problem we were doing. From there, go left 1, up 5. You should have a point there. Okay? So you should go left 1, up 5. That's where a point should be. If it's not there, put it. All right, go back in number 1. Go to the origin. At the origin, go left to right 0. So don't go left to right, but go up 6. You should have a point there. All right, go back to number 1. Go to the origin, go right 2, and go up 8. You should be able to plot that point. Those are the 3 points you're able to plot off of that graph. The other one, 4, 10, won't fit. If you go right 4, you go up 10, it won't fit, so it's not on the graph, so don't worry about it. So then you connect it up. Let's say yours shouldn't have any B's or anything. It should all be straight lines. That's why they're called linear equations. Okay? So if we look right here, at the top, it says L-I-N-E-A-R. The first 4 letters is line. Right? Spell the word line. So first, not making a line, you're not doing right. So go back and fix it. Use your brain.